In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the workspace name in Clickup, whether you're working solo or collaborating with a team. Having your workspace accurately reflect your current project or team can make a huge difference in staying organized. Let's dive in and make this process simple and straightforward. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to clickup.com, which is your central hub for task management and team collaboration. Once the page loads, look for the login button in the top right corner and click it. For a faster login, consider using your Google account by selecting Sign In with Google. This is especially convenient if you don't want to remember another password. Once you click, select the Google account associated with your Clickup workspace, and you'll be logged in and ready to move on. Now that you're inside Clickup, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen where your profile icon is located. Click on the icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. Here, you'll find options to adjust personal preferences, notifications, and, most importantly, your workspace details. Within Settings, navigate to General Team Settings. This is where you can change the name of your workspace. Click in the workspace name field and type in a new name that reflects your current project or team. Take a moment to think about this because the workspace name will be visible to anyone you collaborate with. Choosing a clear, concise, and relevant name helps maintain organization and avoids confusion down the line. Once you've decided on the perfect name, don't forget to save your changes. It's a simple step, but skipping it can be frustrating if all your adjustments are lost. Give that Save button a solid click, and your new workspace name will be applied immediately. And that's it. You've successfully changed the workspace name in Clickup. This small update can make a big difference in keeping your organizational systems neat, tailored, and easy to navigate for both you and your team. Remember, keeping workspace names relevant and up to date can save a lot of time and hassle in the future. I hope this walkthrough was helpful. For more guidance, you can explore the Clickup support page or watch our other tutorial videos. Thanks for tuning in and have a great day managing your projects efficiently in Clickup Happy Task Managing.